y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I apply my foundation, stay tuned. So I am going to start off with some skincare, and this is just hyaluronic acid serum. So I'm going to add that on first. Not typically, just get this over my face and massage it in. And then of course you want to get your forehead and forehead. And we're just going to let that sit for a little bit. And then the next thing that I do need to do is add serum, but we're just going to give this a few minutes. Okay, so I do have e.l.f. and this is my Power Grip Primer. So I'll add that on as well. I don't like to add too much product. I want to make sure my foundation doesn't separate. And as you can see, it's gripping. I give it a few minutes there. Now I do have a KVD foundation that I'm going to use, and this is Good Apple 10074. So I'm going to use this for my foundation today. And I just start off with a few pumps. I'm actually going to use my finger to apply it. And then I'm going to go in with this brush here, and I'm just doing dabbing motions. Okay, and then I am going to add my contour. Alright, so I am going to go in with some contour, and this is from YSL, and my color is No Limits Courage. I'm going to use a flat brush here, and I like to blend up. And of course, blend down for your jaw. And up here, I'm going to blend towards my hairline. Of course, I'm going to use this once I take off my scarf and blend everything together. But I have for my nose contour. Let me find a brush. I'm going to use the same one. Okay, and then for my concealer, I have Born This Way. And then we're just gonna blend. I like to start blending here with my chin.